Of design inspiration and styling ideas. And when we talk about comfort, it's about layered textures, meaningful details, and cozy holiday corners.
Gandang gising!
With Eurotex!
Wonderful. That's how we love to greet everyone at Eurotex. Gandang gising, what it stands for helping Filipinos to get better sleep.
I've been teaching for 33 years already, so that we will be able to learn and at the same time have fun in the process. The basic elements of a bedroom would actually be, of course, related to its function. Actually, if you're going to be very strict about it, yung zipper ang nasa ilalim. Always, para it can't be seen on the sides and on the top. Like for instance, if I'm designing a kid's bedroom, sometimes the parents are the ones dictating, diba, kung ano yung gusto nila for the kid without necessarily having to ask the kid, diba, anak, ano bang gusto mo? Diba? I once designed a bedroom for a child, a girl, na everybody thought in the family that she wanted actually like the princess thing, diba? Pink, ganon. And then she came over and said, Tito, gusto ko sana blue tsaka black na combination. Sabi ko, this is like 9 years old na babae. So sabi ko, sige, paalam tayo. Di ba? Siyempre, yung parents mo ang bubayad sa akin eh. Magpaalam tayo. Di ba? So this is actually, again, a personality quirk. Di ba? That you have the right to do in your own bedroom. A long lumbar pillow is called a body pillow. A sham can also be sometimes referred to as a Euro pillow. Tapos ilalatag natin siya ng ganyan. Kailangan pantay sa magkabilang gilid. And remember, the sham is larger than a standard. And then we add another layer. So dapat yung open side nasa center. Yung sides ang naka-close para walang gagapang, di ba, walang pasok sa loob. Jajan! Sa tunay na buhay, 5 minutes lang po yan. Kaya lang nakikwento ako eh, di ba? So, naka-bed state na tayo.
Miss Carly Chua, thank you our home, Telas de Mercato and Eurotex for our tokens. Desiree Balaga. Last speaker.
Ano may color available na to ng bamboo?
Anong size, sir? Queen size?
Queen size, yes.
Meron tayong sir, 4-piece at saka 3-piece. Ito sir, ang kulay. Check ko muna sir.
Okay, sige. So kanang blue o kanang
Gray, sir.
Gray.
Sir.
Kuha na.
Thank you for scrubbing, sir.
Thank you.